Welcome back. With me, I have the Xiaomi Smart Band 10, and in this video, we'll unbox it and see what's in the box. So this is the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. It has a couple of features: 1.72 AMOLED narrow edge quadrilateral display. It has high quality metallic frame and all the other options. And also, it has the 580 water resistance, it has 150 plus sports mode, and all the other features. So let's unbox it and see what's on the box. So let me just open it up. So once you open it up, pull it out. There you go. So first things, you'll get the smart band. So here it is. This is how it looks like on the box. So let me just remove it. So there you go. There's your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. And also there's some user manual. As you can see, there's a manual here that you can read through. And also it comes with its own charger cable. So here's the charger cable. It's a magnetic charger, as you can see. So just clip it on the behind. So that's a magnetic charger cable. And that's about it. So that's everything that comes with the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So the manual, the charger brick, and the watch. So there you go. So you can peel this off. Let's just peel it off. And there you go. Now there's your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll be making subsequent videos for this particular watch, or rather this particular smart band. So I'll see you on the next one.